Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use the Windows Malware Tool to quickly find and remove malicious software from your PC and laptop. Stay tuned to protect your Windows and keep it running smoothly. Now I am going to download Windows Malware Tool. Open web browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. You can use any web browser. Go to Google website. Type here in Google search bar. Download. Windows Malware. Let's click on it. Click on first link. Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool, 64-bit. Now the Microsoft official website is open. Click on Download. Now the downloading is started. It is 80.4 megabits setup file. Downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Let's double-click on this PC. Click Downloads. Here it is MSRT setup file. Let's right-click on it. Click Open. Click Yes. Close Downloads. Now open MSRT. Click Next. You have seen three options: Quick Scan, Full Scan, Customize Scan. Quick Scan. Scan areas of the system most likely to contain malicious software. If malicious software is found, you may be prompted to run a full scan. Now I am going to run Quick Scan. Click Next. Now the scan is completed. No malicious software was detected. Click on View Details Results OS Scan. These are the scan results. Click OK. Click Finish. If you want to run again this tool, right-click on Windows. Select Run. Type MSRT. Press Enter. Click on Yes. Click on Next. Quick Scan. Click Cancel. So viewers, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.